Hello viewers, couple of years back I had a severe back pain. Then I have taken a proper treatment, physiotherapy and all these things. Then within 2 months it got vanished. I wanted to share with you. So what are the physiotherapy I have taken, what are the exercises? Exercises I have shared already in my previous video. If you missed it, downside the link is given. Please just go for, when you have a lower backache, severe backache, 3 kind of exercises I taught in my previous video. Please watch it. Continuation to that, today I am going to share with you different kind of postures. What are the postures you are supposed to maintain when you lay down? So the right posture of when you lay down, that is I am going to share with you. So this will be very much useful when you have a severe backache. So one of my student is with me, Ms. Rakshi. So let us see what is the right posture of sleeping. So welcome back. So the right posture when you have a backache, before going to the posture, first you have to lay down, always on the flat surface. Flat surface, don't use any pillow, even mattress also not recommendable. So if you have a bed, from the bed you can just remove the mattress and sleep, or otherwise flat surface, anything you can use it. And main thing when you lay down, first thing is that you can take a twist. That will be a very good exercise for your body. How do you take the twist? Suppose you are taking on the right side. This is the posture. So right side when you are turning, upper portion is right side, and the down portion is left side. So in that we just like chocolate wrapper, when you just twist it in the same fashion, lay down in the same posture for 1 minute. You will get a lot of relief. Then after that, change the posture. It's like this, left and then right. It's a twist. So when you take this kind of posture, you will get a lot of relief. And please not be normal actually. Yeah. So then after that, when you lay down, you wanted to go for deep sleep. When you want to go for deep sleep, you may be taking either right side or left side. Suppose you are taking to the right side. So when you take a right side, so please always forward your right leg only. Right leg forward it. So this is the posture. So in this posture, you will get a lot of relaxation to the back, lower back. You can lay down on this posture. It's in the beginning, it's very difficult, but slowly you can just make a habit of this. In the same way, when you take a left turn, left turn. So when you take a left turn, again you have to forward your left leg only. Right leg will be always straight. So in this posture also you can lay down, just become normal. So simple, this is the posture. In the beginning it's very difficult, make a practice, it will be very easy for you to follow, and you'll have very good relief, you feel very comfortable. So this is the posture along with the 3 exercises. So I think you're going to make use of these postures and exercises, you'll get relief. Thank you very much. I wish you good luck, take care.